I think it'd be better with some sunglasses. How about some fake fur? What about a fake fur coat? It still needs something else.
Wait. Today is about individualizing your own car, not my personal style. I already look great.
Okay. Well, if you want to see that, keep watching. We're in a very special place today, the Mercedes-Benz MANUFAKTUR.
This looks like the fun department. I love all the colors. What do we do here?
Actually, you're here in the biggest plant of Mercedes-Benz, one of the biggest plants, manufacture studio, and you individualize your car.
Would you say that manufacturer is allowing the customer to bring their own personality to Mercedes-Benz?
It is. 100% it is.
So what is the craziest request you've gotten?
I wouldn't say crazy ideas, but really creative ideas.
Okay.
And one customer came to us and he likes to have the interior in the back color from his wife. And we have made a fully leathered interior nearly, and everything in this special leather color. And for his dog, we have made also a harness in the same leather color, for example.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
So really personal, and it's so nice to be part of it.
Do you remember the car you got?
Did you pick?
So we've got an S-Class.
Okay.
And we're here to customize.
What do you like? Which color tone? So do you like more the purples, more the greens?
I do like green.
Okay. So for example, the olive here, it's a really nice color. One of my favorites, but come on, you're young. Let's go something more powerful. No? What do you think?
I love this.
Yeah, I like the grass.
That's exterior color. And let us look for the interior color. So for interior, a brown. No.
Good.
And what about a black?
You can never go wrong with black interior. But this one looks different.
That's the regular black.
Okay.
Let's say this one.
Okay.
It's a little bit more shiny, it's a little bit darker. And what about stitching? So contrast stitching in the same color like the exterior color.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sold.
Yeah? Okay.
Sure.
Great.
So we've got the exterior and we've got the interior.
So let's go to the manufacturer and they will show you how they do it.
Okay.
That's
Let's do this. Perfect. Our next stop is the Mercedes-Benz MANUFAKTUR workshop. So we're on our way to meet Paloma, who's gonna tell us what this place is about. Oh, I love that color.
Yeah, I kind of like the brighter colors.
Hi,
Hello.
welcome to the Manufaktur.
So where are we? What is this place?
This is our leather warehouse. We have a wide variety of interior colors, different materials, and also different leather colors. In this location, we have more than 50, but in our program, more than 500.
So you must know leather inside out. I mean, I'm looking at this piece and it looks pretty perfect. Like, what am I looking for?
So this is here our quality control. So our team members are highly qualified to identify all of the flaws of the leather hide. And it's not so easy.
So what are we looking for?
For example, this is a scar.
A scar?
Yeah,
Is it?
it is.
Oh, I see it here.
Exactly.
So tiny.
This here is an insect bite.
Oh, wow.
That is so crazy.
Yeah,
Tiny.
it's tiny. We have for sure also the machines and different light scenarios to help our team members to identify those. And they marked everything with our digital pen.
I feel like he was out getting mosquitoed.
What do you guys do with the portion that has flaws?
So the leftover leather we use for key rings, for our customers, employees, and also we release to resell it. So
Okay.
we try to use as max as you can of the leather hide.
You've made me need to borrow Ellie's glasses for this.
So what happens with the finished leather?
Adam is going to explain everything about it.
For me, this is the most important bit.
Yes, of course, because the customer have this in the hands all time. It must be perfect in the car.
So every single Mercedes-Benz steering wheel is hand finished?
Yes, of course.
Cool.
Everything is hand stitched here. Pedro, can you show the stitching, the Indianapolis stitch on the steering wheel?
Indianapolis stitch. What is that? It's a very special stitching technique you'll see at Mercedes-Benz MANUFAKTUR steering wheels. Here, the craftsmen and women don't just work with the finest materials, they also master the most complicated techniques. The name comes from the legendary Indianapolis racetrack in Indiana, famous for its tight corners. And just like those corners, the stitch requires absolute precision and skill. Just look at those needle movements. And that's why we call it the Grand Prix of stitching. And now, back to the workshop.
Hello. How do we do this? Okay, and then across. Can we try?
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay, great. Come. Great, so you gotta go like 2.
Okay.
So 1, 2.
Oh,
Does it? Yeah.
yep.
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And then, yeah, 2.
I'll do one more.
Nice work.
So here we at the station of embroidery. We embroider here many logos or emblems. We have the chance to stitch 24 colors at the same time.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. So can we embroider something?
Yes, of course. So as you can see, here's the logo, Becky and Elly.
That's us.
That is us.
You can see here every single stitch that the machine makes when he stitches the A.
Awesome. Let's get it made.
Green button?
Yes.
Oh, shoot. Oh, remember when we did that?
Let's check this out.
Yeah, it's a brand new car. You're curious? You remember?
I can't wait to see it.
Perfect. So, 1, 2,
Ready?
and
Let's go.
voila!
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's the color!
I really like it.
What do you think about our car?
It's your color, come on. Huh?
We did a lot of customizations.
The rims in gold, the parts which are normally not in dark chrome here in the back. But let's have a closer look in the interior.
Yeah.
After you, Becky.
Oh, it smells so good. I love that new car smell.
Oh my goodness, look right here. It's also in green.
Yeah, it's also in green. Normally white on the floor mats,
Floor
the
mats,
stitching.
sills,
Yeah,
on the
exactly.
pillows.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is serious.
and also the sun visors are leathered in the same leather,
Oh, wow.
and also with the contrast stitching.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Becky!
I know.
Look at that!
This is our little cushions.
Your cushions.
We made
exactly.
that.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
So, congratulations to your unique, individualized Mercedes-Benz.
Oh wow.
This is so cool.
You want to take it for a spin first?
Wait, are we actually allowed to do whatever we want in these cars?
Of course.